Welcome everyone to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today I'm taking you through a flow that will get the juices moving and give you some energy for the morning, for the day, and for the rest of your week. Grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. Let's begin in a nice cross-legged position. So just come to a nice easy pose, close down the eyes, and just take a few deep breaths here. So we're going to hop right into it, but let's just set the tone for the flow. Beautiful. And then go ahead and draw your left ear over your left shoulder. Actively reach the right ear up towards the sky. And go ahead and draw your nose down towards the mat. So you feel this nice stretch now in the back of the right neck. Inhale, coming back through left ear over left shoulder. And exhale, bring it back on through, nice straight line. We'll take a deep breath in. As you exhale, right ear over right shoulder. Actively think of lifting the left ear up towards the sky. We'll take a deep breath in. As you exhale, go ahead and draw that chin now down towards the mat. You should feel this turn on in the back of your neck. And take a deep breath in, bringing that right ear back over the right shoulder. And exhale to come back through to center. We'll take a deep breath in. Long exhale out. Then bring your hands on either side of your hips. Go ahead and walk those left fingertips away and reach the right arm along the right side of the body over towards the left. Find this nice buoyant bend in the left elbow. And find a nice side body stretch here. Inhale, rotating the heart up towards the sky. Breathe. And we'll take a deep breath in. As you exhale, come back through to center. Go ahead and walk those right fingertips away. Left arm traces along the side of the left side body and reaches over towards the right. Find this nice bend in that right elbow. Find your side body stretch here. Keep both sitting blades glued, sitting bones, glued towards the mat. They're going to want to come up here. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in. Long exhale out brings you back through to center. Let's make this a flow. Inhale over towards the left. Exhale to center. Inhale to the right. Exhale to center. Inhale left. Exhale center. Inhale right. Exhale center. Keep going once more. Really reach. Beautiful. Exhale, coming back through to center. Take a deep breath in. Long breath out brings you forward into tabletop pose. So come on down to your hands and knees, wrists right underneath your shoulders, knees directly underneath your hips. Inhale to drop the belly, shine your heart forward. And exhale to arch through the back, tuck your chin into your chest. Inhale for your cow pose. Exhale to arch through the back, really arch. Keep moving with your breath now. Find one more cycle of cat-cow wherever you are. Beautiful. On your next inhale, come back through to a nice neutral tabletop pose. Curl your toes underneath and come to sit back on your heels. So we're just getting this nice stretch in the fascia of the foot. You can stay here, or it might feel really good to walk your hands towards the knees, walk them up the thighs, and sit back. It's a little bit more intense this way, but definitely deeper stretch. Now we'll take a deep breath in. As you exhale, bring your hands back down to your mat. Take the tops of the feet down towards the mat. Walk your hands out in front of you. Inhale to slide on through, coming to a nice cobra pose. Inhale. Exhale to arch through the back. Sink back into child's pose. Make it a flow. Inhale to roll on through for cobra. Nice back bend here. Exhale to arch through the back. Sit back, child's pose. Keep moving. Find just a couple of more cycles here. Move with your breath. And then on your next inhale, walk your hands out in front of you. Curl your toes underneath and lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Pedal one heel down and then the other here, just finding some movement. Beautiful. From here, go ahead and anchor that left heel down. Inhale to hug the right knee in towards your chest. And then let's go ahead and take some circles here with the knee. Actively press down into both fingers, both hands, all 10 fingers. And then reverse, going the opposite way. Beautiful. From here, go ahead and kick that leg up and back, three-legged dog. Inhale. Exhale to hug it into center and take your right foot to the top of the mat. Go ahead and drop that back knee. Let's find a nice low lunge. Draw the shoulders from the ears. Actively reach the heart forward. Then we'll take a deep breath in here. As you exhale, walk the hands back towards the body, straighten through the front leg, flex the top of the foot towards the face. Find a runner stretch. Keep your hips nice and level here. You're going to want to dip towards the left. So find runner stretch here. Breathe over your straight leg. Amazing. On your next inhale, go ahead. Roll on through, coming back to a nice low lunge. Take a deep inhale in here, smile. Exhale to plant the hands down. Pick up the back knee and step back to your downward facing dog. Breathe. Pedal it out if that feels good in your body, finding some movement. And go ahead and anchor the right heel down. Hug that left knee in towards your chest. And then let's take some circles here. Establish a pattern one way with the knee. Pressing down through both hands, all 10 fingerprints. And then go ahead, reverse your circle. Nice big circles here in your downward facing dog. Then even it out. Inhale to kick that leg up into a three-legged dog. Exhale to hug that knee into center and place your left foot at the top of the mat. Go ahead and drop that back knee down. Find a nice low lunge. Shine your heart forward. And then we'll take a deep breath in. As you exhale, walk your hands back towards the body. Straighten through the front leg. Flex the top of the foot towards the face. Release the crown of your head and your body over your straight leg. Feeling this nice, deep hamstring stretch. So good. On your next inhale, go ahead and roll on through, coming back to a nice low lunge. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, go ahead and plant the hands down. Pick up the back knee and step back to your downward facing dog. 5 deep cleansing breaths here. Finding any movement that feels good in your body or finding stillness. Then we'll take a deep breath in stillness. Long exhale out. Inhale to gaze towards the front of your mat, bend through the knees. Exhale, walk, hop, or jump to the front of your mat. Find a nice forward fold. Press down through the feet and inhale, begin to roll up vertebrae by vertebrae all the way up to a nice standing pose. Coming into mountain, exhale up at the top. Take a deep breath in. Long exhale out. Then staying where you are, I'm going to come to the side here just to face you. You want your feet to be about hip bone distance apart. Then you're just going to take your arms and start whacking you behind you. Have a nice bend in these knees, just twisting from one side, then the other. So your feet and your legs stay center, nice bend in them, back and forth. But your upper body, your torso, your arms, your neck and face go back and forth, back and forth. So you can stay with this speed, or perhaps you pick it up a little bit. Back and forth, back and forth. Smile a little bit here. This is going to get your energy going, I promise. Picking it up even more. Really get those slap sounds going. Then begin to even it out, slowing it down. And coming all the way back through to a nice, still standing pose. Palms face forward. Just take a moment to notice the energy, the prana moving through the body. Perhaps noticing if your energy level has kicked up a little bit. Beautiful. From here, bring your hands to your heart space, palms to touch. Just taking a moment here to find gratitude and appreciation for committing to your practice today. No matter the circumstances, you showed up for yourself. The light in me humbly bows down to and honors the divine light within you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share it with others, give it a thumbs up, and hit the bell button to be notified when I post free content every Wednesday. I am so grateful for you. I will see you next week. Namaste.